In March of 2021, Congress approved the American Rescue Plan Act, which delivered a third round of economic impact payments, or you may know them as stimulus payments, to all taxpayers. The payments were automatically distributed to most taxpayers in the same way they would have received the first or second round payments. For example, if you received your first or second round payments via direct deposit, you most likely would have received this third round the same way. But your situation may have changed, and so you could have received a payment via a paper check or a debit card. In some cases, the bank account that you typically used may have changed, so you may need to check other bank accounts as well. During this third round of stimulus payments, most people received $1,400 for themselves, their spouse if they are married, and each qualifying dependent claimed on their tax return. Unlike the first two payments, the third payment did not restrict children to under the age of 17. Eligible families would have received a payment for all dependents, including older relatives such as college students, adults with disabilities, or parents and grandparents that you may be supporting and claiming as a dependent on your tax return. The third economic impact payment also included a change in income levels. Therefore, some may not have been eligible for this round, even if they received the first or second round of payments. Payments were reduced for individuals making over $75,000 if single, or over $150,000 if married filing joint. They were completely phased out if your adjusted gross income was $80,000 if single or $160,000 if married filing joint. You will need to know the amount of your third economic impact payment when it's time to file your taxes. You have probably received a letter or IRS notice that told you that amount was sent to you, and it would be a good idea to put this in a safe place so that you can find it when you need it. This amount will be reconciled on your 2021 tax return, and if your adjusted gross income was lower than what the IRS was projecting, you may receive an additional amount. However, if you receive your stimulus payment and then your adjusted gross income was higher, you're not going to be required to repay this amount. The 2021 tax season is gearing up to be interesting once again. If you have any questions regarding your third stimulus payment, please let us know.